Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Mangesh, and in today's video I'll be talking about how you guys can still manage to clear the upcoming FMG exam if you are starting your preparation now. Yes, you heard me right. I'm talking about clearing the upcoming FMG exam with just 4 months of preparation. But the only condition is that you'll have to follow each and every strategic plan of studying, which I will be telling you guys throughout the video. And if you stick to the video till the very end, then there is a bonus tip for you. The most common mistake which most of the FMG students make, and that costs them their 3 or 4 months preparation strategies. So let's start the video without wasting any more time. I would like to categorize students in three categories. The FMG aspirants are of three types. The first category is of those students who already started their preparation when they haven't come to India, that is during their university's last year, or when they already got a degree from the university and then there is a vacation of 1 to 2 months and then they come to India. So if you come under such category of students, then you will be definitely clearing the exam, but the only thing is that you have to study consistently and you have to dedicate all your time to the studying and recalling and revision till the very end, that is till the day of exam. And I have already made one video. You can go back to the channel and check out that video. That video is for category A students. Then there is second category of students who start their preparation after coming to India. What they do is that they take degree, come to India, and then they subscribe to some platform like Marrow, Cerebellum, Arise, Prepladder, anything, and then they start their preparation. So if you fall under such category, then also I have uploaded one video in which I have explained what should be your planning and strategy, but long gone are those days because that video was posted 15 days ago, and that time you had like 5 months approximately for the exam. But the thing is that now you have 3.5 or let's say 4 months till the exam, and if you are starting your preparation now, then there should be a different strategic approach to clear the upcoming exam with just 4 months of preparation. Yes, it is possible, but you will have to be very, very, very much dedicated, and you have to be consistent throughout the preparation till the day of exam. So there are four things which you have to keep in your mind. The first thing is completing all the video lectures, no matter in which category you are, or no matter which platform you follow, or whatever you do, you have to watch video lectures from somewhere. Like if you don't have any subscription, then also you'll have to study from some source. So that source is the first thing. Then the second thing is first read. Third thing is first revision. First read and first revision both are different things. I'll be telling you guys the difference in next few minutes. And the fourth thing is second revision, and there will not be sufficient time for your third revision. So I will be giving you guys some tips and tricks that how you guys can avoid the third revision and still can clear the exam. So let's start with the first thing, that is watching all the video lectures. No matter if you follow Cerebellum, there is Lab 1. If you follow Prepladder, there are live lectures. In Marrow, there is rapid revision. So whichever source you are following, make sure you watch all the video lectures or all the content that's there. Not from the main videos, but the latest content. And that's why I said to you guys that there should be an updated source. Like many students, what they do is that they prepare from Telegram or some other sources, and the videos are basically 1 year or 2 year old videos, and those are not updated. FMG is nowadays becoming tougher and more tougher day by day, because long gone are the days when FMG used to be filled with one-liners and all the concept-based questions. But now the things have become more or less like a NEET PG oriented. That is, most of the faculties keep telling us that there is no difference between NEET PG and FMG. The only difference is negative marking, because FMG का level धीरे धीरे बढ़ रहा है और NEET PG और FMG same level पे आ रहे हैं. And that's the thing what they are doing. They are correlating two subjects with each other, and they are making a clinical scenarios out of it. I have given recent FMG exam, and I know that it wasn't an easy exam. So that's why you have to be very much consistent with whatever I'm going to tell you. You have to watch all the video lectures from updated resources. PSM to updated ही होना चाहिए, because every year there are some major or minor changes in PSM. So make sure you get all the updates. Then the next thing is that you have to complete your first read. The basic difference between first read and first revision is that first revision is thorough, and first read is just about flipping the pages and getting familiar with your notes and letting yourself know what are the notes which you made during the video lectures, or what are the notes which you annotated during your video lectures. So this was the basic thing. Then there comes the first revision. During first revision, you have to make flashcards of those things which you keep forgetting. You have to read those flashcards again and again every day. I'll be telling you guys tips and tricks about how to make flashcards and how to revise them on daily basis, so that you won't be forgetting anything till the day of exam. Because 4 months time is pretty much sufficient time to forget anything what you are reading right now. So that's why there must be a strategic approach for everything. Then comes the second revision, and then comes the last few days or last 2 weeks hustle. So the basic thing which I would like to say about first read is that you have to read your notes. Don't go for the FOMO that you have to know each and every word of your notes, because you don't have to mug up, you don't have to learn anything during the first read. The first read must be only and only for getting to know how much content you have to revise, and to know that you have to flip the pages fast enough so that you will have pretty much time left for first revision and second revision. So what you have to do is that whenever you go through some video lecture, then you have to make or annotate your own notes. And whenever you get a time, for example, any faculty, take cerebellum, marrow, preplatter, anything, they don't teach their video lectures or live lectures are not for 24/7. They are only for 4 to 5 hours, or let's say 6 to 7 hours max. So what you can do is that you can utilize the remaining time to solve the custom module PYQs, and after solving those PYQs or custom modules, you can take the mistakes out from them, like whatever topics you made mistakes in, and then you can mark those topics in your notes. So your notes will be annotated and highlighted, ready to be concised for your revision. Then the second thing which you can do is that you have to go through all the numerical values or formulas or anything, like for example, there is Burns topic in surgery, in which you have to know which area is dedicated for how much percentage. And then there are also some criterias, so you have to mug up all those things. So to mug up those things, you have to see those things every day, and every day you cannot go through your notes for every subject. So what you can do is that take a fullscape paper or anything, sticky notes, anything. I didn't feel that sticky notes are sufficient, so what I used to do is that I used to write in my notebook, the big notebook fullscape, and I used to stick that page on my wall. So that's how I kept looking at those topics every day, and I tried to learn those topics. So you guys can try that approach too. Whatever works for you, whatever you do, the main goal is to learn or mug up everything and remember it till the day of exam. Afterwards, चाहे भूल जाओ कुछ ही कर लो, ज़्यादा matter नहीं करता. The next thing is about first revision. When you're done with flipping the pages during the first read and you know how much content is there, you will get a slight idea that how much time you will need for the first revision. First revision must be thorough. What you have to do is that you have to read everything actively. Saturation आ रहा है तो रुक जाओ, थोड़ा सा break ले लो, 5 minutes break you can take, have a coffee, tea, anything that you like. And yeah, then get on with the revision. Don't do anything else. Don't start scrolling Instagram in your breaks, or don't go for YouTube shorts. Nothing will help you. You will think that I'll be watching motivational content or study related content, but algorithm ही ऐसा है कि वो कुछ ऐसी चीज दे देगा जिस पे आपका half an hour waste हो जाएगा, आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा. So stick to studying, and make your breaks as short as possible. During first revision, you have to you have to read the page, then you have to hide it or close the book, then try to remember what was written on the page, and then move forward. Like, you don't have to stress yourself or get overwhelmed that I am not able to recall anything, I just read the page but I don't know what was written on it. So these things will happen, these things are normal, even I went through such things, but you will remember everything, because subconscious में रहता है सब, जो भी पढ़ा है या जो भी पढ़ोगे. So the next thing is about second revision. Second revision should be fast. You shouldn't take or utilize those many days as much as first revision. अगर first revision आपका 30 days का है, तो second revision आपका होना चाहिए 20 days का. I will not say 15 days, 10 days. That's not doable. I don't like to talk nonsense. So yeah, अगर फर्स्ट रिवीजन आपका 30 days का है, तो सेकेंड रिवीजन आप 20 days का रख सकते हो. And yeah, so this is how you guys can complete watching video lectures: first read, second revision, and first revision. About if I would be talking about scheduling these things in your actual calendar, then abhi month chal raha hai September. So September, October, November, and December. You guys have 4 months. So during this month, like September and October, these 2 months you guys can utilize for watching only videos, like video lectures देख के खत्म कर दो till the end of October, 25th or 26th October, or you can max to max take 30th of October. देन स्टार्ट रीडिंग नोट्स. अगर तुम लोग कर सकते हो तो पैरेलली रीड करना चालू कर दो नोट्स. दैट विल बी वेरी वेरी मच हेल्पफुल फॉर यू गाइज, because you will be cutting short so many days which you will be utilizing for first read. So अगर parallelly कर सकते हो तो parallelly करो. Like if you are watching surgery videos and if you are reading the notes from anesthesiology or radiology or orthopedics, anything, so yeah, that will be helpful for you. And if वैसे नहीं जम रहा तो take surgery, complete it, and then start with marking the wrong BYQs in your notes, and then read the notes. So these things you can do. 24 hours होते हैं, 4 to 5 hours के video lectures होते हैं, remaining time पूरा का पूरा आपका है. Other than studies, I don't think you should be doing anything else. So you guys can pretty much utilize your time wisely. Then comes the month of October, and October is finished. So then comes the month of November and December. In the month of November, 30 days you can take for 19 subjects. Major subjects जो है उनको 4 to 5 days दे दो. ऑब्स गायनी बड़ा है तो 6 days देना. 3 days for ऑब्स, 3 days for gynae. And surgery you can finish in 4 to 5 days. It's not that big. Anat I didn't do, so I don't know how much time you will need for Anat. And medicine, you guys should be revising medicine if you are weak in patho, pharma, and micro. And if you have these 3 subjects strong, then you can skip some part of medicine. You guys can watch how to skip some subjects and how to know which subjects you should do. In my previous videos, I have uploaded them. I have uploaded those videos on my channel. So the next thing is about the mistake which I will be telling you guys now, because we are at the end of the video, end of the discussion. So I have purposefully made today's session very short because I know how much precious this time for you. The main thing is that the mistake which students commit is that you guys get overwhelmed, stressed, and you guys waste your 2-3 days in that phase. So for example, if today you watch my video, you will feel that yes, it's doable, let's do it, let's make a planner, let's plan everything. You will open your calendar on tablet or iPhone or anything, and you will start making your planner. And if next day you end up waking up late, or because of something, let's say your relatives came to visit you, or your friend called you, or anything can happen, and if your schedule gets disturbed even by 2-3 hours, or let's say 4-5 hours, what you will do is that it's a normal human tendency. You will keep thinking about it. I wasted my today's day. I had to start today and I didn't do it. So एक अजीब फीलिंग आ जाती है, फिर उसकी वजह से पढ़ाई नहीं होती. You will not be solving questions. You will not be doing custom modules. You will not be doing PYQs. You will not be reading your notes or watching video lectures. If one thing out of 100 things goes wrong, you will end up messing up all the 99 things. So this shouldn't be happening. Whatever amount of hours you have in your hands, let's say you woke up at 8, you wake up at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, and your relatives visit you and they take your whole day. For example, 4 or 5 o'clock evening तक आपका time बर्बाद हो गया, waste हो गया. So you shouldn't waste your remaining 6 to 7 hours in thinking about the time you wasted. You have to utilize the remaining 6 to 7 hours in such a way that you will be going to bed satisfied कि हाँ मैंने आज कुछ तो किया. I didn't waste my whole day. And still you will be ahead of 60 to 70% of students, because if this video gets 1,000 views, only let's say 500 to 600 students will be in the category of C category, like for example the students who are starting now. But amongst them 40% students will procrastinate. They will think that yeah, I'll do the planning, I'll do the strategic calendar marking and everything, I'll do it tomorrow. So they will waste their tomorrow's half a day in planning and making strategies. But if you start today, after watching this video, if you make your plans, if you do everything perfectly, and if you set alarms and go to bed at proper timing, at for example 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock, and if you end up waking up at 6 o'clock, then you will win tomorrow's day and you will be already ahead of race. It's not a competitive exam, but still you have to be consistent and dedicated. And we know no matter what, we will be comparing our scores to the scoreboard. Like we know that after giving a GT or solving custom module or late night PYQs or anything, there is a scoreboard of students, and toppers ke ranks hote hain 1 to 10, top 10, top 15, and we compare ourselves with those students. So in any way possible, don't try to get overwhelmed, stressed, and don't waste whatever time you have in your hands by thinking about the time which is already wasted. So this was all about today's session. I hope you guys liked the video and the content and information which I gave you. If you guys have any doubts, queries, anything, or if you guys need any help in planning your schedules, planning and strategies, then you guys can approach me on Telegram or WhatsApp. I'll be there to help you. I'll be glad to help you. And the next thing is that just a small request from my end. If you find the video helpful, then make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what do you think about the video, and don't waste too much time. Is that it's fine even if you don't. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much and have a good day. All the best.